Welcome back. 22 Vet here. We are back on deck here. I'm on here with Greg. It's about 62 degrees out. Sun's out. It's supposed to be getting 80s, which is pretty cool. And we're pretty optimistic about today. We're gonna head down to the other side for a little bit, and we'll probably cross over. But yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna get, well, optimistic about getting some bass, but it should be fun. So let's do this. Alrighty. Alright. Be a little chilly. Oh, jeez. My foot just sank. Got a good foot there, and this water's a little chilly. I hate being cold. It should warm up. Oh man. What? Pretty shallow. Oh man. Holy. Tell you what, I hate being cold. Now water's chilly. I tell you that much. Man. But I got my scuppers in here, so I won't get too wet. Oh, man, that's cold. Man, I know. You call me a pansy. I'm cool with that. It's that chilly. That's why we're coming out here and the sun's up. Let's get this turned on here. Oh, nice. Come on, turn on. There we go. Oh, man. I tell you what, son. Oh. Greg has a better tolerance for being cold than I do. I hate being cold. I'll tell you what, though. It's gonna warm up. So every time I get out, every time we come out here, I got my sinking tip, and it's always just full of memory. And it looks like it's under, oh no. Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's always like this. So what you gotta do is take the memory out just by pulling on it. Really good pulling. Stretch it out, and that will take the memory out. And that will take the memory out. And there we go. It's always like that. And so now you can see the memory is gone. You always want to do that when you have a lot of memory in the line. Using, I've still got this gray and white one from Greg. Pretty flashy. I'm gonna use it. A little close. Yeah, paddled up by the dam. Greg is hitting that spot. I know it's really shallow because it comes out, and plus, if you look at the shore, you could read it. How it comes in nice and slow, where the dam drops, so it's going to continue its drop. It's a good way to read how the water is going to be, and it holds true a lot wherever you go for lakes. When it comes to river, it kind of holds true, but then river's got some, you know, like drop-offs to them. So I'm going to come up here a little bit, nice and slow. What I'm looking for is where the hydrilla is at. I know when it gets in the summer-ish, it gets a lot warmer, hydrilla comes up right at the top, and this place is usually full of hydrilla. Right now I don't see any, and this is where it's usually at. So right here, let's check the temperature of the water. We are showing 53.5. That's way below the magic number of 57. But we're gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna fish it really slow and see if we can get anybody home. Because it might be up on this more shore area trying to get warm. So we're gonna give that a whirl a few times. So let's get to it here. We did change our fly out. It's nice and bright. So I tied this Wednesday at Living Waters on fly tying night. It's pretty white. And then he had gold flash, so we put on this gold flash, and we got actual bead eyes. So our leader is about 10 feet, and we are using our sinking tip line. Let me see if I can get this out. There we go. And my line's a little messed up there, so let's back off a little bit. And let's undo our little mess here. And most of the time you can shake it out, or just open it up and you'll get rid of the tangles. So let's see if we can get the tangles out a little bit. And let's go ahead and get it going. First cast here. Fish is a little bit slower, but I still got that sinking line. Let's see. Here we go. There it is. Oh! I did not set the hook. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him. Oh, he's nice. Look at him. He's a nice one. He is a nice one. Turn me around here. Oh, it's white. He is a white bass. Is he a striper? What is he? Look at this guy. Oh, he's a stripey. I don't know what he is. He's big enough for me. Look at this guy. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow. Now that's a good looking bass. Meaty. Let's see where he's at. He's right at. Settle down. Settle down, buddy. Right at 18. Wow. He's heavy. Ooh. Good thing I used the net. Oh, that guy. Nice looking. Here we go. Look at that. Nice. All right, buddy. He's out of here. Man, he hit that thing twice. He hit it, threw it back for it. He hit it again. Thank you, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you hitting that twice. Alrighty. That's what I like. But when we get there, first things first, it's time to do our non-sponsored lunches. Today's sponsor are, same as last time, HEB, Costco. My biggest non-sponsors. Look at that. Today we have our non-sponsored Lay's baked, not fried chips. And then we have our non-sponsored Kirkland Vitarain Zero, which I like. And then we have our other Costco sandwiches. Oh, and there's the HEB salami in there with our cheese. Alrighty, let's get to it, because you know it's yum good. The old Kayak isn't good. Kept one of the whites because they're good, and my other one got off, my stringer, so that's kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. Alrighty, let's get to it. So I'm here actually, and Greg's over there. I'm gonna fish more of the shallow areas and see if we can stag them up, or not stag them, but get a couple. So let's get to it. Let's have lunch and then we're off. And that will conclude our lunch. I'd like to thank you all my non-sponsors. Thank you for food. I appreciate that. Here. Oh, mayfly. So here's a mayfly. When you're fishing for trout, that's what you want to catch. Or tie flies like that. And depending on the hatch, match the hatch. Alrighty. There's one. Got him. Where do I got the bottom? No. Thought I had one. Nope. I got rockfish. Maybe a rockfish, or maybe I got the hydrilla fish. Man, there you are. We got the hydrilla fish, and it looks like it's not bad size. Let's go ahead and measure our hydrilla. Our hydrilla fish is coming in about good 20 inches. All right, look at that. All right, buddy. Thanks for snagging by. See ya. There you go. The hydrilla fish. All right, let's get back to it. There he is. Got him. No! I had him! Oh! Oh, man. Get hit again. There he is. Got him. Whoa! That was a nice one. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Here we go. Alrighty. Time. I do think they like this gray and white. Hey, buddy. What you up to? I just got done eating something like gray and white. Interesting. Wow, look at this guy. Nice. Probably what? It's nice and fat though. 17. Nice. Alrighty, buddy. I'll get you out of here. Thank you for stopping by. There you go. Nice. Alrighty. It's been a little bit. I think it's that gray and black. Switched over and got one. Alrighty. Nice. That's one. Here we go. Nice. Oh, it's a crappie. God, he's big. Look at this guy. Wow. Look at that. These things are pretty. Look at that. Love these colors on them. Speckled. Look at that blue. Wow. Alright, buddy. Come on. Man. Ready. Nice. All right. Mark this. Oh, man. Got off. That was a bass. He came up and got off. I think I foul hooked him though. That would be a good fight. Get out there. Adjust my anchor. Nice, Greg just hooked up with one. Got him. Yeah, look at him run. Nice. Greg found him. Come on, buddy. Nice. Look at this. Another nice one. Look at those colors. Wow. Alright. Thank you, buddy. Let me get your friends. We're gonna wrap it up today. Not too bad. Caught 5. Got 2 whites and those things bite. Oh man. And I got 2 more bass and a crappie. Had 1 get off and I missed 2 and 1 got off on the right in the water, and then I caught that big hydrilla fish. Pretty good. Greg got quite a few and I got one of him on film getting it on the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll post that up. It's getting chilly. We got 10 minutes that sun goes down. My feet are getting cold, and so we plan on getting back sooner, but we hit that cove and they're jumping all over, and I'm kicking myself for not bringing my top water fly rod. I'm gonna do all top water because I could have been nailing them, but that's how it goes. I don't think they'd be out because it's cold. Alrighty, y'all take care. Y'all get in the water. 22 vet. Alrighty, until next time, get on the water. Altogether we did 7.2 miles and we got in right at sunset, and I tell you what, that temperature's dropping. We are cold. Alright y'all, just had a good time on the water. Time to get these kayaks out, get that nice super warm car. Alright, we are done.